Tenor was one of the first artists that called me on Reggae Sun Splash 1995. Me and White Mice.
Tenor.
Tenor, yeah, man.
Did you, okay, so even, let's go back even a bit further. How did you meet Tenor in the first place?
Actually meet him somewhere, one dance. I don't remember, I go one dance and sing and him see me and him say, yo, you're bad, you know. You understand? And then, but he made up on Youth Man promotion thing and bowler up on Youth Man promotion. So I start go up a Youth Man promotion, just drive through sometime, take the taxi and go there and them a play. They made have a night where them play all the while and Daddy Hanson, the whole of them, Daddy Shark, all of them a DJ and bowler them. And so I just did they sing and him did they sing and vibe too.
And
so
was he a child star this time, or he was already an adult when you had met him?
Tenor?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I think him was in him teens too, you know. I don't know what he did young, man. I don't think he reached 20 as yet, but he act like a big man.
Yeah.
And like in music, him is very serious when he come on to music and forget pay to him, not play with that. You understand? So me and him talk and him say, I'm going to go Sunsplash and him. I say, if you can reach down there, reach down there, and me call there. And I say, seriously? I must say, yeah, man. I say, all right, then Patrick goes up and we jump on a bus. And at the bus, they carry everybody, you know, have my suit, my clothes in one bag and thing and go down there. White Mice is there, Mobile, because White Mice come from Mobile. Me and White Mice, it link up to and we go down there and meet up at Jared Park. And then I saw backstage and him and him about to go on. I think somebody come and give him a straw hat. They said they had to him up on the album named Fever. Yeah, man. Yeah. And the man run out and and the alarm rhythm there. Yeah, man, and him go sing, well, Little Kirk and White Mice. And me run up and me draw the tune on the stagger like, what love got to do it. Boss, I don't remember what my sing, but place mash up and then the next day, you know, the next morning early. Go buy a star and I look and I see Tenor and Little Kirk and like me I look on it and I say, yo, my name this, you know, Little Kirk, like I can't believe it, you know. And I say, yo, Little Kirk, this, you know. That's what me I go like me I idiot, you know, but trust me, I was overwhelmed, man.
Yeah, especially being called on stage by somebody like Tenor, that's already a star at this time here.
Definitely. Then we go son leave and go back home and then we make a link with him. We start go up a sugar mine at now. Me see him and me and him go up on the road or we go son go over Fort Clarence here where them have some a big show and might do some show over there and thing. Early B, them time of music me think it nicer, brother. You understand? There was, you know, people fight against people, but not like no.
Yeah.
The artists them have a unification and every man I try to go hard. You know, so Tenor I was at that show and I think the promoter never want pay him. And him get mad and the man run up on the stage back and the man start singing, the man sing the song. I think at the same build up that I don't remember. Out here and come call me. Make sure you can pay me. Promoter and him friend them a laugh. Make sure Tenor's all getting mouse. Yeah, when the man serious, you know. So we start to, yo, the man in a play, man, like any artist or any promoter that want to pay him, we take it up on the man and start defend the artist them.
Yeah.
Good, great youth. Yeah, man, I love him to my heart dearly, man. May him soul rest in peace.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.